In this video, you'll see a simple artwork come to life with warm, earthy tones and a bold green plant rising at the center. The background blends soft terracotta and sand-brown shapes, giving the painting a calm desert feel. A golden sun adds a bright touch at the top, creating a peaceful balance between nature and abstract design. Watch the full process to see how each layer builds the final look, from the base colors to the sharp green leaves. This is a relaxing and easy painting idea for beginners who enjoy minimal and modern art. Finally, watch the result of the art.